Okay, well, the generator shed is essentially done. I got to put drip cap, but I'll do a more in-depth. Today is October 19th, 2024, and Uncle George is here. He's visiting for a week or so. And so we're moving on to the next project.
Help shape our playlist. Go to caleb.com/insider.
And here we are.
Caleb, 1 minute of encouragement. Francis and Pinto.
The greenhouse. I'm so glad he's here because he's so intricate and making sense out of these directions. And here's what it's going to look like. And we're on the first panel, the front door. And there's 4 sides, obviously. And so there it is. Just a little clip. Beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees. And there was a family of mice in here. There's about 3 of them. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. But their little nest, they jumped out when I opened it. Which is fine. They need a place too. I told them to head up to the generator shed. In any event, just about to see that. And, well, after all this is done, in the next couple of weeks, we got to finish bucking all this and splitting it with the log splitter. So, here we are. And that is that for now. God bless. Till next time.